welcome back to Filipino Quirks, brought to you by Lejarde, Norberto, and Lopez. And today we're exploring the hilarious side of Filipino culture through one fun, connected story. We'll dive into three iconic traits: the Crusher, Filipino Time, and the Improviser. Each one shows how these quirks makes our lives more colorful and relatable. First up, the Crusher. This is the Filipino habit where people show up uninvited at your house or event with a flimsy excuse, hoping to get invited in. May handa ang pilaral pa. Alam ko na. Uy, pre! Ay, pre, balik ko lang yung martilyong hiniram ko sa'yo nung nakaraang linggo.
Ha? Wala ka naman sa akin hiniram na martilyo ah.
Tay, pagdabso ka. Paano kaya ito?
O siya, pasok ka muna, may handa dun sa loob.
Ay, sige, tol.
See how the Crusher turns any private event into a full-on fiesta? It's not crude, it's pure Pinoy warmth saying, come one, come all. Whether it's a small get-together or big celebration, the Crusher shows up, brings energy, and makes every moment livelier. It's not about intrusion. It's about turning ordinary gatherings into unforgettable, fun-fulfilled memories.
Next, Filipino Time. That's when on the way really means maliligo pa lang ako. It's our super chill relationship with time. Days of traffic, biglaan na errands, or sandali lang moments. No rush, no panic. Just pure Pinoy vibes.
Hello, pre. Asan ka na? Si Sean nga na hindi imbitado, andito na eh.
Hello, pre. Oo, papunta na. Papunta na ako dyan. Bilis na lang. Relax lang. Kasi sa Filipino time, ang oras ang nag-a-adjust sa akin. Filipino time isn't about disrespect. It's about choosing joy over clocks. In a culture where moments matter more than minutes, we don't panic over schedules. We just go with the flow. We've all been that friend who shows up a little late, but it still arrives with the best energy and the loudest. Uy, sorry. It's our way of saying life happens. So let's enjoy it. But now, as I finally head out, let's see the improviser in action, turning delays into punchlines. Finally, the improviser. This is the pwede na yan mindset, making do with what's available even if it's not perfect. It's a resourceful way to solving problems on the fly. Okay na? Ano ba yan, malas? Nasiraan pa. Kuya, guys, paano ng motor?
Bakit? Ano sa tingin mo? Hindi, joke lang. Ano meron?
Bigla kasi yung namatay, tas hindi na nag-start.
Sige, pasok mo dito.
If you seen it, then you mean it.
Testing na lang po.
Ano to, boss? Pag pumapreno, bumubusina.
Ay, naglag.
Siya. Okay na yan. Nagmamadali ako eh. Kabit mo na lang yung ulo.
Sige boss, pasensya na boss. Kabit ko lang boss yung ulo tas electrical tape ko muna yung mga wiring. Ay, wala na pala kami boss electrical tape. Pwede bang scotch tape na lang?
Ano ba yan? Sige na. Nagmamadali ako eh.
Improviser win. Scotch tape sa motor? Bakit hindi? Pwede yan. The improviser keeps us moving forward. No matter the hiccup, it's creativity at its finest. Pure Filipino ingenuity. Whether it's fixing something with whatever's nearby, or making something work even when it's not perfect. The improviser mindset is all about one thing. Discarte.
And that's a peak of three classic Filipino quirks. They might seem chaotic at first, but that's the beauty of Filipino life. We turn surprises into laughter, delays into memories, and problems into creative solutions. So next time you see a Filipino quirk, just embrace it. It's our way of making life more exciting.